Good morning, everybody. It's Gary here, Fathers for Justice, South Africa. Mediation, mediation, mediation. Very simply put, the United Nations Children's Charter, the African Union's Charter, the Constitution, Marriage Act, Divorce Act, and Children's Act requires that children maintain right of contact with their parents, irrespective of whether the parents are married or not, and irrespective of whether the parents are together or not. It is the duty of the state president, the ministers, the Justice Department, lawyers, advocates, and psychologists to maintain the family unit, irrespective of whether the parents are together or not. So the bond between the children and both of its parents. It is the state, lawyers, advocates, psychologists, social welfare workers, mediators, etc., are duty bound to maintain the contact of the children with both of its parents. Mediation is the adult thing to do. Mediation is the clever thing to do. Get in, mediate your divorce and your contact care, guardianship and maintenance, and get out. It costs approximately 25 to 35,000 Rand to mediate with a proper mediator, an educated, mature mediator. If you're going to be paying $500 every week for the next 18 months, 2 years, that is not a mediator. That is a fee gouger. Okay. They normally work for the Family Advocate's Office and are social welfare workers. And you know my point of view on social welfare workers. Get a proper private mediator, 25 to 35,000 Rand, and you're in and you're out. Otherwise, you're going to be spending 5, 6, 10 years at a cost of 600,000 to in excess of 2 million Rand fighting for your rights. So, and my question is, and it's always been this question, is why do the courts, why do the judges and the magistrates do not enforce mediation? What is their hesitance when under Section 21, 33, and 41A of the new court rules, so 21 and 33 from the Children's Act, and 41A of the new court rules if you're going to High Court? You are compelled, you are obliged to mediate. Okay. Guys, if you want to behave like an adult, if you want to behave like a mature, responsible parent that is concerned about his or her children, mediation is the way to go. It is only childish, immature, narcissistic, misandrist, immature little people that insist on running to lawyers and the courts. If you want to be involved in the abuse of your children, then approach lawyers and the courts. Because I can tell you now, the parent or parents that approach lawyers and the courts are actively saying, I want my child to be emotionally abused. Whereas mediation, mature, adult, responsible, and it allows for the healing to begin, and it allows for the forgiveness to begin, and it allows for open, honest communication. Sometimes in the beginning, you do need a parenting coordinator. We also offer that. So please, mediate, mediate, mediate. Please join the class action suit. It's $1,000 to join. I know you guys are busy. You don't have the time. Give me the responsibility to run with it. We will come back to you. There will be a requirement for questions to be answered so that we can gather information, so that we can go and deal in facts when we go to court. $90 a month that allows for me to continue doing this work and keeping the lights on and things going forward. And it's compulsory. If you need additional assistance, www.f4j, so it's the number 4J. Please do not go to the fake Fathers for Justice. The official Fathers for Justice in South Africa has the number 4 in its naming convention. Or you can email me on info@f4j.co.za. On the website, there is a link that allows you to join, link through to the WhatsApp group. Please like, share, and subscribe this video. Please like, share, and subscribe on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please get the information out there. Love to you all. Thanks.